everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to mess around a little bit more with the regex library. So alright, this is a very powerful, very powerful last video. If you watched last video, awesome. If you haven't, you're missing out, so make sure you're subscribing and hitting that notification bell and giving these videos a thumbs up, because that just makes me happy. So alright, last video, put that up right here, we searched for the date, and let's just say that we need to search for a lot more numbers, or secretly you're just absolutely as lazy as I am. So alright, let's just say we're going to be really specific in this. So we know it's an old poem, so we know a little bit about English literature, and we know it was either written in the late 1800s or the early 1900s. So we're going to shrink our date down here. Now here's the cool thing, but we don't know this. And here is an awesome little trick. So instead of us copying or having to do this over and over again, here is how we can search with brackets. So we need 2 of these, not 2 more, but 2 of these, not 2 more, but 2 of them. So let's do this, and boom. So we isolated it down. It was either 1800s or 1900s, and then whatever the numbers were through and through. So let's do this one more time. We knew that it was 18 or 1900s, so it's 1800 or 900, and then we had no idea when the tens or singles digit, and we knew there were 2 places. So curly brackets, not in addition, but how many spaces of those. And that is a super powerful technique, and I wanted you to know how to do it. So as always, guys, real quick video today, but as always, thanks for watching. Keep those awesome comments, questions, and video requests coming. You guys blow me away every day with all the views, with everything. You guys are awesome. We have a very awesome community. So as always, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
I don't